How to multiply in Excel. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to teach you how you can multiply in Excel in just few simple steps. So first things first, open up your Excel and then now, if your data is already typed in, simply select the cell where you want the result to appear and press the equal sign on your keyboard and now multiply the numbers. In my case, I just type in 6 asterisk 122, just hit enter and voila. But the more common method is to use cell references. Click on the cell you want to start with, type equals, then select the first cell, add the asterisk for multiplication and select the second cell, press enter and you'll see the result. And you can just drag down the formula to other columns as well. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.